Ever lost weeks on government websites and doom scrolling TikTok just to somehow feel more confused? I'm Brooke Finley, a regulated Canadian immigration expert, and I'm here to share everything I've learned from over 15 years of helping thousands of people get approved to come to Canada. I've sat with people at every stage, excited, overwhelmed, terrified of making a mistake. I've seen the delays, the refusals, and the heartbreak. I also know how to avoid setbacks caused by small errors or mistimed applications, as well as how to protect your time, money, and energy from bad advice or fake offers, because you deserve a trustworthy path. This channel is my way of ensuring everyone has access to credible, complete information to help you get from where do I start to application submitted. I've trained experts and mentored new professionals. And the same way I've shared my way of thinking to apply the law that helps paying clients succeed, I'm giving away everything I've learned to you free. I believe education should be open and implementation, if you want a co-pilot, should be optional and transparent. Think of this as the first free online Canadian immigration school built for you, the applicant. It's organized as a curriculum, not random shorts. I won't share partial information to try and convince you to book a consultation, and I promise not to share content that's so ambiguous it leaves you more confused. And trust me, even I've been confused by certain blogs. Follow our playlist like a course so you always know the next logical step. When you finish one video, the next lesson is waiting. One click, one clear win at a time. Inside each pathway, I'll show you how to choose the right program, map timelines and budgets, prepare evidence, and submit like a pro. I'll flag the common mistakes I see over and over and share the exact checklists and templates I use so you can be confident, not just hopeful. Below every video, you'll see a link to our immigration headquarters, a free tools portal. Unlock AI tools like our not code selector and cover letter drafter, plus templates and guides we've refined over years of client work. It's all free and updated as policies shift. Tell me what's keeping you up at night. Comment with your situation, your roadblocks, your wins. We build lessons straight from your questions so this stays relevant and useful, and we'll pin prompts under each video to spark the conversation that helps everyone. If you want a second set of expert eyes or a co-pilot through milestones, check out Navio platform. It blends real human expertise with modern workflows so you can get professional support without law firm prices. Whether you want a final review, guided milestones, or full implementation, it's your choice, your pace. So here's my promise. No fear-mongering, no bait and switch. Just reliable, complete, expert-driven education so you can move forward with clarity. If you choose help, great. If you're DIYing the whole journey, I want you to be able to finish with confidence. Subscribe and turn on notifications. New lessons drop every week. Start with the Start Here playlist, then unlock your free tools with the link below. Let's turn your plan into confident progress, one clear lesson at a time.